Students, I welcome you all to this session. In this session, we shall discuss one more problem on external reconstruction. Let me read out the problem first. Limping Limited has just recovered from a great financial difficulty. Its balance sheet as on 31st December 2020 is as follows. Liabilities, equity share capital 6 lakh, 5% preference capital 5 lakh. Sorry, 4 lakh. Liabilities 1 lakh 50,000. Building 4 lakh, plant and machinery 2 lakh, current assets 2 lakh, profit loss account 3 lakh 50,000. Total of the balance sheet 11 lakh 50,000. Galloping Limited is formed, that is a new company, transferring company, to take over buildings at 3 lakh, plant and machinery at 1 lakh 40 and stock at 60,000. See, out of these plant land there is no issue. Then stock together it is given that current asset 2 lakh and stock at 60,000. It may consist some other term also. Purchase consideration is to be satisfied by 7% preference shares and equity shares of 10 each, both of Galloping Limited in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Preference 3, equity 2. Preference shareholders are to be settled in full by the allotment of these new preference shares. Sundry debtors realize 1,50,000 and rupees 1,10,000 was paid to creditors in full settlement. In place of 1,50,000, 1,10,000, 40,000 profit then. There is no other current assets except stock and debtors. So in the current asset, stock and debtors not taken over realized and stock has taken over. Cost of winding up amount rupees 10,000. Give the journal entries and ledger accounts in the books of Limping Limited. Limping Limited is a transferor company and journal entries in the books of Galloping Limited. Also draft a balance sheet of Galloping Limited, that is new transferring company. You see here Galloping Limited formed to take out the assets of Limping Limited. Limping Limited is a transferor company. First you decide the method of calculated purchase consideration. It is said that purchase consideration will be satisfied by the issue of preference shares and equity shares, and it is not said how much equity shares and preference share or capital will be paid to the equity shareholders and preference shareholders. So here you must follow net asset method. Building 3 lakh, machinery 1 lakh 40 plus 60 is 5 lakh. Nothing said about liabilities. Oh, sorry, it is said liabilities paid, so not taken over. Total assets, agreed value 5 lakh, liability nil. So 5 lakh will be the amount of purchase consideration. And as regards other assets, sundry debtors, you see, you have to transfer total current assets to the realization later realized. So it will appear on the credit of realization 1 lakh 50. So now 1 lakh 50,000 they issue cash, of which 1 lakh 10 to creditors, 40,000 remains. 40 out of 40,000, 10,000 to bear the cost of winding up. See here, current assets 2 lakh, that is the debtors and stock, no cash. That's what, nothing else needs, no cash. And creditors paid. Now, preference share capital 4 lakh, but now total for purchase considered 5 lakh in the ratio of 3 to means they will get 3 lakh. So they lose the company, Limping Limited earns a profit 1 lakh, that should be transferred to realization account. Now go through the calculation part of purchase consideration. Net asset method I said, total assets taken over, buildings 3 lakh, plant and machinery 1 lakh 40, current is, that is stock 60,000, given specifically 5 lakh, no liabilities or debentures. So now the 5 lakh should be settled in the ratio of discharge mode. You see, 3 is to 2, that is 3 lakh and 2 lakh, 10,000 each in the sense, 30,000 equity preference shares and 20,000 equity shares, so 5,000. Now first journal entries, transfer all assets including debtors. So realize account debit, 2 buildings, 2 plant and machinery, 2 current assets, both stock and debtor together it is, that is 8 lakh. Then no liabilities taken over, so next entry for recording purchase consideration due, that is Galloping Limited account debited to realization account 5 lakh as calculated above. Then this is settled by the issue of 7% preference shares for 3 lakh and yeah, equity shares in Galloping Limited 2 lakh, total 5 lakh settled. Then bank account debited to realized account, debtors realized, when assets realized, bank to realization account 1 lakh 50,000. Then liabilities paid here 1 lakh 50, liability book value paid just 1 lakh 40. So sorry, 1 lakh 10,000. 40,000 profit must go to realization account. Profit. Then 5% preference capital 4 lakh. To now they are payable only 3 lakh. 1 lakh, it is a discount. Profit to the company must go to realization account. Both that 40,000 excess payment to debt, sorry, rebate on debtors and liability, and this one on the credit side. Now preference shareholders 3 given 7% preference shares of Galloping Limited. Then when you prepare realization account, you will get before the realization expense 10,000 realizations to bank account. Then realization account will give a difference or a credit balance. So equity shareholders account debit to realization account, that is the loss on realization transfer to equity shareholders. So here you need to specify, because there is equity and preference, ultimate loss must go to equity shareholders. Then transfer all items pertaining to equity shareholders to their account. So share capital 6 lakh to profit and loss account 3 lakh 50,000 to equity shareholders account 2 lakh 50,000. That can be done, or separate entry. Equity share capital account debited to equity shareholders 6 lakh. Then equity shareholders account debited to profit and loss account. Here you have to add equity shareholders account debit 3 lakh 50. Okay, this is a loss transferred. Then final payment to equity shareholders. Now you see, when you prepare credit to share capital 3 lakh, debit profit loss account, then again debit realization loss. So 370, when you did it, it is a 230, 2 lakh 30,000. Now 2 lakh in equity shares in Galloping Limited and just 30,000. You see 1 lakh 50,000 realized by the realized through Sunday debtors, 1 lakh 50 minus 1 lakh 10,000 used to pay off liabilities. Then 10,000 realization expense. So total balance left 30,000 will be used, must go to equity shareholder, thereby equity shareholders account settles. Now realization account, all ledger accounts also asked in the Limping Limited. Say realization, all assets, building, plant and machinery, current assets debit. By Galloping, that is PC. By cash, realization of debtors. Liabilities, profit on settlement. Then preference share, again profit it is. So thereby expense 10,000 debit, 810 debit, credit 20,000 difference, that is a loss. Then equity shareholders account, equity share account 6 lakh, to realize 20,000, to profit loss account 3 lakh 50, equity shares 2 lakh and 30,000 final cash is in. Then cash account, cash received to realize account 1 lakh 50, that is a realization of debtors, paid to liability 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 10,000, realization expense 30,000 to equity shareholders. Then Galloping Limited account, from realization account to realization by 7% preference capital, by equity, 7% preference shares in Galloping Limited and equity. Now preference shareholders account, that is Limping, by preference capital 3 lakh, it should be 4 lakh, equity share capital 4 lakh, equity share in Galloping Limited, here you need to add that excess 1 lakh realization account. 1 lakh realization, that is a discount. So total should be 4 lakh. Yeah. Then in addition, you can prepare preference shares in Galloping Limited and equity shares in Galloping Limited. That you will prepare to Galloping Limited by preference share holder. Again, in equity shares in Galloping Limited also to Galloping Limited by equity shareholders account. Then journal entry in the books of Galloping Limited, transferring company to record purchase consideration due. Business purchase the second debit to liquidators of Limbing Limited. Then building account, plant and which taken over to business purchase, no difference. Usually when data set method you follow, there will not be any difference. Then paid liquidators of Limbing Limited, 7% preference capital and equity share capital. Then balance sheet now. Buildings, plant and machinery, stock taken over, and decide preference capital 3 lakh, equity capital 2 lakh, total 5 lakh. This is all about the problem. Thank you.